Question number 1. Add the following algebraic expression. So first you can replace the given comma with a plus sign. So we can see here AB minus BC. Now this comma you can replace with a plus sign followed by BC minus CA. Again we get here comma, so you can substitute with a plus sign. So CA minus AB. After that, what you'll have to do, you can collect the like terms. So first we can group together here. We can see the variable AB. Now you can search whether we get the variable AB or not. Yes, that is we have here minus again here AB. Now the second group or the second terms here minus we have here BC. Again we have here plus BC. Now the third term we have here minus CA plus, which is again here CA. Now we can see here the coefficient of AB is 1. Again here the coefficient of AB, that is 1. AB minus AB, that means 1 minus 1 will be 0. So which means we can eliminate. Likewise here, like terms we have grouped together. Minus plus will be minus. 1 BC minus 1 BC will be 0. We can cancel. Likewise here, minus plus will be minus. 1 CA minus 1 CA equals to 0, which means we can cancel. So the sum will be here 0. Now the second questions. So like we did the previous one, first you can replace comma with a plus sign. So we can see here 3ABC comma, which means you can take here plus sign, again minus 4ABC, again comma is there, so you can take here a plus sign. So all these three are like terms, so we can collect now 3ABC plus 5ABC, so which is equal to, we get here 8ABC plus minus minus, so we get here 4ABC. Now again here 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4ABC is the sum. Now the third one, again the same procedure you'll have to do here. The given comma, you can take the help of a plus sign. Again here comma is there, so we take here plus, again minus is there, make use of here a bracket. Now we have got here a fractional, we can take here LCM. So we can see here the denominators, that is 7 and 7, after that 5. So the LCM of 7 and 5, we don't have any common factor, so the product of 7 and 5 equals to 35. So 7 into how many times is 35? So 7 into 5, 5 into 6 will be 30x, plus again 7 into how many times? Yes, 5. 5 into 9 equals to 45x, plus minus equals to minus 5 into how many? Yes, that is 7 times. With that answer we can multiply this place, so 7 will be 49x. Now we can see here all these three are like terms, so we can add according to the sign here. So 30x plus 45x equals to, we get here, that is a 75x. Again we have minus 49x divided by, we have here 35. Now which is equals to 75x minus 49, that is we take here numerical value only 49. So minus 15 minus 9, which is equal to 6. Now this will be only 6. 6 minus 4 equals to, yes, that is 2. So we get here 26 divided by 35x. Now we don't have any common factor other than 1, so that will be our sum. You'll have to replace the comma with a plus sign here. So we can see here a minus b plus ab. Now comma we get here, so replace by plus sign. B minus c plus bc, again here comma, so plus we have here c minus a plus ca. Now we can collect the like terms. First group we can collect the variable a, so again we'll find out here, again we have minus a. Now any more? No. Now the second variables we have here a, b. Now again here a, b is there? No. After that here plus we have here plus b, again here minus we have here b. Now the third one here we can see minus c, again here plus c. After that here we left with a plus ca. So we can see here a minus a, which is 0, which means we can cancel. Plus b minus b, that means minus plus will be minus, b minus b will be 0, so this 2 also we can cancel. Again, plus c minus c also we can cancel, so we left with a, b after that here, that is plus, again here bc also left out, bc followed by here a, c or ca. We have missed out here a plus, that is a bc. Now sub question number 5. First thing, you'll have to replace here comma with a plus sign, so this will be now plus. Now you can collect the like terms. We can see here p square q square, again here also p square q square, so we group together these two, or we can simplify here itself these two. So we can just check the numerical value here, plus minus will be minus. In short, here we have 2, the other one minus we have here 3, then here minus plus will be minus, so we get here 1, but sign we take from the bigger number, that is minus. So I've got here minus, the variable will remain as it is, p square followed by q square. Now we have here minus 3pq, again here also plus 7pq. You can take the numerical value here, one is we have here minus 3, the other one we have here plus 7, so plus minus will be minus, so you'll have to subtract only the number here, 7 minus 3, which is equals to 4, but sign we take from the bigger number, which means bigger number has a positive sign, so plus 4. So we have here plus 4, the variable will remain as this. Now the numerical value here, 4 plus 5, which is equals to total is 9. Now the next one, again here comma is here, so you can replace with a plus sign. Comma is here, take a plus sign, comma is here, take plus sign. After that here you'll have to now collect the like terms. We can see here L square, this also L square, so the numerical value we can take here, so 1, this also 1, so 1 plus 1 will be 2, the variables will remain as it is. Again here m square, so here 1 plus 1 will be 2m square, but sign will be plus sign, so this also we have taken. So n square, this also n square, like terms, so 1 plus 1 will be 2n square, sign will be again here plus sign, so this also taken. Now we left with plus 2lm, so that is a single piece, again here plus 2m and also single, again here plus we have here 2n L.